This is for you, huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Hey. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. For remembering the poor blind beggar. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hey. God bless you. You shall never lack. You will never lack, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this, sir. Hey. God bless you, sir. Hey. Oh, thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. Hey. Who is there? Who is there? Is anyone there? My money! My money! Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who took my money? Who is there? Who is there? Please, my money! Please, my money! Please! Please give me back my money, please! I know you can hear me, please! Please don't take the money away, please! Please, I'm just a helpless blind beggar, please! I beg you! Don't take away this money, please! Please, I beg you, please! Don't take away this money! Please! Please! Please, I know you can hear me! If you can hear me, please, give me back the money! Give me back the money, please! This is the only way I survive! Please don't take this money, please! I beg you! I beg you, please! Please don't take this money, please! Please! Please, I beg you! Don't take away this money! Please! Please! Don't take away this money! This is the only way I survive! Please, have mercy! Have mercy on the poor blind boy! Please, I beg you! Please, have mercy on the poor blind boy! I beg you! Please, I beg you. Give me back this money. This is the only way I survive. I'm just a poor blind boy. Please, I beg you. Give me back this money. For stealing from a poor blind boy like me, I curse you. You inherit this blindness. I curse you. I curse you.
I'll buy hairs, I'll buy jewelries, I'll buy so many things. Oh my God. Huh?